If you are a parent of a child who is rolling their eyes, stomping off, or talking back, I have some really good news for you. Believe it or not, the foundational problem isn't necessarily with your child's behavior, but it is more likely your response to their behavior. And that's really good news because that means you can make a change that will change the situation. In this video, I'm going to give you 7 simple steps you can take to make changes that will inspire your child to show you respect and in turn, build up your parent-child relationship. But before I go into those 7 steps on exactly what to do at the moment of disrespect, I want to first remind you that eye-to-eye time every day is essential to growing that relationship of trust necessary to reach your child's heart so they will want to show you respect. If you don't know what eye-to-eye time is, it's basically 5 to 10 minutes set aside every morning and evening to allow your child to talk to you about anything they want to without any distractions. You focus wholly and completely on them for that short period of time, twice a day. That alone will make a huge difference in the way your child responds to you and the respect they will want to give you. But let's say you're talking about something with your child and they give you an eye roll, start to talk back or stomp off. This is a clear sign of disrespect. Here's what to do. Number 1, command respect, don't demand it. What this means is, don't get angry. It's really easy to become infuriated when a child shows disrespect by rolling their eyes, talking back, or stomping off. But getting angry will make you seem less emotionally stable. That will not command respect. It will pour more fuel on the fire of disrespect. Showing that you are in complete emotional control is what will command the respect that you deserve. Anger might demand it, but emotional control will command it. And you don't want to demand respect. Demanding it doesn't last. Commanding respect lasts, so don't get angry. Remember, if you've been watching this channel or read my book, you know that this rolling of the eyes behavior is an opportunity to teach and train your child to behave. So see it that way instead of taking it personally. This mindset will help you avoid getting angry. Number 2, stop everything to address the behavior. When a child rolls their eyes at you, starts to talk back or stomp off, immediately stop what is going on, whether that be a conversation, an activity, or whatever. To address this behavior while continuing on with whatever's happening does not show the level of significance needed for your child to take you seriously. If you really want them to stop showing this kind of behavior, they have to know it is of high importance that they change it. Stopping whatever is going on shows this to them in a very real and tangible way. Number 3, return to the place of origin. If they stomped off, you will need to have them come back to the place this happened. When they start to stomp off, don't jump in and start calling them and yelling at them to come back. Let them do their stomping, and then go to where they are quietly and in control of yourself and calmly tell them to return to the place this behavior occurred. Psychologically, returning to the place of the misbehavior establishes a kind of stoppage of time, like time has stopped at the moment they showed that kind of behavior. Everything just froze at that moment, and now you're going to address it before time starts up again. This is another way to establish the significance of the disrespect. They have to take this seriously. Number 4, look them in the eye. When you take the time to stop what is happening and address them by looking them in the eye, it says, this is important. This is not acceptable. This behavior will not go on without regard. This behavior needs to stop. And you looking them in the eye shows you mean business and you have confidence, which is another element to gaining their respect. Number 5, give clear and concise instructions. As you look at them in the eye, tell them very clearly what they did and that this behavior will not be tolerated. Remember to show no anger. Only display a confident, straightforward, determined demeanor and tone. You do not want to do an entire lecture here. A long, drawn-out diatribe will likely cause them to want to roll their eyes more. Instead, tell them what they did wrong and what they need to do to correct the situation in clear and concise language that cannot be mistaken or misinterpreted. Number 6, repeat the episode with correction. Once they are in the same place as the behavior occurred, tell them you're going to repeat the original instruction or say whatever it is you said before, and this time they will show respect with their response. If it was an instruction, have them say, "Yes, ma'am," or "I'll do that right now," or whatever might be appropriate. If they do it, but still show an attitude, tell them it looks like they are not quite ready to solve the problem at this moment. Have them go to a quiet place to think about it and to let you know when they are ready to take care of this situation. Make sure this is a place that has no distractions, so they will only be there to think about this problem. When they're ready, they can come and let you know. When they come back to let you know they are ready, replay this event and have them respond correctly. Now, before I go to number 7, I want you to know that if you go through all these steps and you feel you still need help, you can schedule a private consultation with me at my website, www.mommyanswerlady.com. You can see a link to that in the description as well. Number 7, establish your parental authority. If you are having this problem frequently, maybe you are yelling more often, and you know this is causing problems, it is likely that your child does not see your parental authority as they should. In that case, you need to establish it. This is essential for a healthy parent-child relationship. In order to learn how to establish your parental authority without yelling, click on this next video. Parents, you can do this. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you here next time.